So in econometrics, we are always told that in the presence of multicollinearity, we have low t values. So in this video, I'm going to quickly explain why this happens. So in order to understand why we have low t values in the presence of multicollinearity, we simply need to remember that in the presence of multicollinearity, we have larger standard errors. And what happens is that the larger the standard errors are going to be, the lower the t value will be. And to understand why that happens, you simply need to look at the formula which we use to compute the t statistic, which is B over SE. So for example, if you have 4 in the denominator, the standard error is equal to 4 over here, and in this example the standard error is equal to 8. Now just notice that the larger the standard error is, the lower the overall term becomes, that is the t value in this situation is 0.5, while in this case it is 0.25, and this happens when you have a larger value in the denominator. So in short, just remember that the reason we have low t values due to multicollinearity is simply because we have larger standard errors. However, one point that I would like to add before I end this video is that the t values are lower than they would have been if we did not have this problem of larger standard errors, but the t stats are still valid. So one mistake that I have often noticed students make is that they wrongly conclude that the t stats are no longer valid, which is wrong. Always remember that even in the presence of multicollinearity, the t stats are still valid.